All right, y'all, look, I know y'all might think $20 ain't much to spend on a sneaker, especially when you get something and it ain't even worth that. Hey, I finally got these Yeezy, whatever they are, these things in, and bruh, let me tell you, man. Hey, Ye ought to be ashamed of himself. Let's talk about it.
In audio.
Hey, what's poppin', everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It is your boy Truth, and today we're gonna be doing a quick unboxing and review of these joints right here. These are the Yeezy socks, pod shoes. I don't know what these are, man, but these are the things that did drop on his website a few months back, and you could actually get them for like 20 bucks. I think that's what the retail for these things. And I just wanted to see kind of what they was working with. But before we get up to this content, make sure you guys hit the subscribe button for your boy. I would greatly appreciate it. Now, if you ordered these shoes and you were kind of wondering when to expect them, today is Saturday, April 5th. And I did get my pair today, so this is the first wave of them, so I think you should expect to get them around this time. But yeah, man, these are it, bro. This is what they came in. This is what they look like, yo. This is the brick I was telling you guys. This is what they come in. Literally, it is nothing to ship this. So they charge us for shipping, and it took forever for it to be shipped like this. So like I said, it looks like a literally dope brick, like cocaine should be in this. But I'll show you guys this right here. This is what they came in. This is the cinch bag. It had the size 12 on it right here, and pretty cheap, bro. Pretty cheap cinch bag. And then you did have both of the sneakers right here. So they charge you like $15 shipping, and I'm pretty sure it didn't cost that much to throw these things in a plastic bag, wrap them up in tape, and ship them to us. So they are already getting their money right there. But just taking a look at the sneaker, you pretty much get this polyurethane, kind of like foam type thing, sneaker or whatever. It looks like it is a orthopedic sneaker. It literally looks like just literally a elf shoe, in my opinion. You got the traction on the bottom right here. You got the number 12 for the sizing on there. No other branding on here. You got the back end. It looks like this. Like I said, these are minimalistic. These are just what you see is what you get. This pair that I did receive did have this little mark right here on the toe box. It's like a little crease on it, and then right around where the ankle collar is, it's like a crease right here. But on the inside, it's nothing on there on the inside. That's all it is. But as far as sizing goes, bro, these things are big. They are very, very big, bro. I would say, you know, you really didn't know what to do with sizing, but this is a size 12, and that's normally what I get when Kanye was with Adidas. But this one right here is massive. I'm talking about your foot in and out, as you guys can see on the screen. As you see them on feet, in and out. Size 12 is not the size I should have got. I actually should have went down to a size 11 if I was actually going to wear these and have them fit. As you guys can see on feet, this is what they look like. They're not appealing. They are not anything. These are just beater shoes if they fit. I don't see myself putting these things on feet. You really can't resell them. They was only $20 anyway, so these are pretty much going to be a wash, in my opinion. But y'all comment down below. Let me know what y'all think. If y'all think if it was different colorways or anything like that. Are you excited about getting these? Because this is what you're going to get, bro. But that's all I got for y'all guys today. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Do all those great things. Y'all know the sayings, man. Rock like not what's hype. And remember, everything we talk about, even these things, just bait. Wait for me to share my faith. I'm going to catch y'all next video. Peace.
If they ready, we'll let you know if you should go and get